warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, audiences, especially our honorable judges, parents, and teachers who have held this competition. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ahyati. I come from Muhammadiyah 15 Vocational High School, South Jakarta, Setiabudi. Ladies and gentlemen, in this crisis moment, I'd like to deliver my speech about the negative effect of the drug abuse to the young generation future. Drugs, what are drugs? I think all of you are already know about that. Drugs actually are medicine for anesthetic patient in surgery, but some people, but that perception was misapplied by some people. Many latest statistics that the drug abuse has increased significantly in Indonesia. Not only in the quantity, but also the range of age have become wider. The victims of the drugs not only come from the adult and teenagers, but also the elementary students who are so young and still have long and bright futures. They seem systematically defined by our common enemy, the drugs. They are our new generation who will replace the duties and responsibility of the former generation. What will happen with our sons and grandsons if the leader are drug abusers? What will happen with our country in the future? Allah said in Al-Ma'idah verse 19 about something forbidden. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu innamal khamru wal maisiru wal ansabu wal azlamu rizqun min amali syaitan. Fajtanibuhu la'allakum tuflihun. It means of the believers actually al-muhalifin trembling and clandestine is distinguishable from the evil action, so avoid them, and maybe will be the future people. So in this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage all of you to pay attention more to the screening of the great evil drug with treat our life and our future. There are many solutions to preventing our young generation from the drug abuse, such as optimizing the sport competition, motivating religious activities and other positive activities which can distract the teenager's mind from the negative effect, from the negative things. And for my friends here who are listening my speech, let's prevent ourselves from the negative things which will ruin our future. I think that's my speech. Thank you for your attention, and I ask forgiveness for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.